Hello. Hi. How are you guys? Okay, Chad and I are wonderful, aren't we, Chad? Look at here.
And then there's Craft Mountain.
You're tired? Yeah, it's a little early.
We're just gonna go this way.
And it's spring break.
We haven't decided yet.
And
anyway,
that's okay.
Here we go. Let's go.
We're out here at the Calico Basin area. It's near Red Rock Conservation Area.
Alright, you guys.
And we are doing a hike today, along with Chad. Get back here. Along with
figure out which way we're going.
our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Yeah, we brought you guys out and about again for the third time to follow this trail. It's called Ash Springs. We decided on that one for now.
Water.
Might add more to it. Oh yeah, look, there's a little water down here in the water area. But yeah. So anyway, we're gonna get to our spot where we want to go and enjoy our snacks that we brought. Okay, well, all right, I just turned off and we found more water flowing. Maybe that's why it's called Ash Springs. Come on, Franks, let Mama pick you up.
I did it, guys. I did it.
Come here. Oh, good boy. Good boy. This one looks too much for you to cross. Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I make it?
It seems pretty hard.
Okay. Woo! Woo! We did it, Frank. Beautiful area, isn't it? All right. Yeah. This is nice. Beautiful area. Wow. Huh. All right. Well, anyway, we're going to keep going on ahead, and come across anything cool, we'll show you guys. Okay, you guys, this is kind of the area right here. Ash Springs area. That was the trail that we were on. And this is kind of pretty much it, but you can follow this around and it'll loop around and take you back onto Craft Mountain, which maybe we might do. But I think we're gonna go right up here to this beautiful area with a nice beautiful view for you guys and us to do our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day snacks. Yep, we're gonna go up here just a little bit, but I'll be back as soon as we find our spot and get set up. All right, you guys, see you in a few. Okay, you guys, we got another out and about food day for you. We got some drink, some preserved fruit, and something else. Woo! Woo! Hope you guys enjoyed the view, because I know it's beautiful out here for us, but we're gonna try the drink first.
This looks yummy.
Yeah, I know, that's what Daddy said in the store. But we're gonna try this drink first. It's a basil seed lychee flavored drink. Woo! Yeah. All right. You ready, Chad?
Maybe. I think so.
The basil seeds. I did a video with Out and About with Diane, and she said they look like little bugs, but I think they look like little eyeballs. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below what you think. All right. All right. Yeah. Put that down right there. Don't want to drop it.
Maybe.
Cheers. Cheers, guys. Okay. I know that's not very good, but it just went down the wrong pipe. I'm okay. If to kind of chew the little basil seed. You don't have to, but sometimes you kind of feel like you do. But I like this one a lot better than the watermelon flavor that we had. And either you've already seen the video or it's an upcoming video that we did with Out and About with Diane. I'll still keep putting her link below because I'm mentioning her, and she's done some videos with her with us, and so I'd appreciate it if you'd go check out her channel too. But anyway, back to the drink. I want some more. That was really good.
Yeah, it tastes fruity.
I like the fruit flavor, the lychee flavor. It is sweet. The basil seeds, you just give it a texture. I know it's weird, a texture in a drink, but that's just what it is. But whew. But it's not an overpower sweet.
Yeah.
And unlike the watermelon flavor, it does not taste like an artificial flavor. I don't know why that one did to me, but I like this one, and I'm gonna give my star rating on this one.
Spilled it.
You spilled it?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna give my star rating on this one. I'm gonna go 4.5. I like this one a lot. It feels nice and refreshing to have it. Little hint of sweetness on a pretty warm spring day out here in the Calico Basin near Red Rock Conservation Area with a beautiful, beautiful, amazing view.
Yeah.
Love it.
I just like to slowly slurp it and just let the basil seed just slowly enter your mouth.
Got a small little crunch to them. I like it. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool drink. I have with like a small little, like something like, you're chewing. Little crunch.
I'll take a 4-star. Yummy.
Okay. Yep, we like it. We recommend this one. All right, guys, we're gonna move on to a snack now. Preserved fruit. Okay.
Oh yeah, at least it's not windy this time.
Yeah, preserved fruit coming up. Preserved fruit. Let me open this and show you. There we go. All right, can you put that in our little backpacks, one of them, so we can take our trash back out of here. Oh, okay. So that's what it looks like. Smells like vinegar. A little vinegar sweetness smell. But that's what it looks like, guys. Little preserved fruit. Here you go, Chad.
Oh, thanks.
Daisy, you can wait. I don't know if this is good for you to have. All right. Interesting. A little sticky. Good thing I got hand wipes. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Whoa. Okay.
It's like
Whoa. That
sweet.
is super sweet. Okay.
Sweet and pickled.
Yeah. Has like a pickled sweetness to it. Really. Oh, my nose itches. Sorry, guys. Okay. It's not like terrible, but I'm not really into as sweet as this is. This is super sweet, you guys. And it's really sticky on the fingers. Crunchy still. Tastes, it kind of looks like a, what does it look like? What kind of fruit? I don't know what kind of fruit it is. They all just say preserved fruit on there. I don't know what kind of fruits they are. Maybe.
But they all seem like they're pickled.
Yeah, they're all pickled, it seemed like. Maybe some kind of,
I don't know.
apple or something. Kind of looks like it could be.
But it doesn't look like an apple on the package.
Well, they all look like that. They all have that.
Oh.
They all have that on there. So you really don't know. I guess maybe if I read the ingredients in the back.
Not for kids.
It doesn't say it, what it is. Anyway, it's really sweet.
Not a candy, not for kids.
It's not my preference. I'm gonna give it a 3-star because to me, my personal opinion, it's way too sweet. If you like really sweet things and you're really into sweet stuff, you might give it a higher rating. But for my preference, I give it a 3-star because it's really overpowering in the sweetness. It has a nice crunch to it,
Nice texture.
The texture is really good. And it just reminds me of a pickled and vinegar and lots of sugar apple slice. Okay, what's your star rating?
Yeah, I like the texture, and it is a little bit sweet, so 3.5. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, anyway, that's just our opinion, guys. Yeah, I see like a little bit of the peel. Kind of looks like an apple. Ooh. Ooh.
Possibly save the best for last.
Hopefully.
Maybe.
Well, the drink is pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, that other one wasn't like terrible, but it just was way too sweet for me. And I'm kind of nervous now with this one since it says a sweet rice cake, but I just think it's sweet rice. But let me show you here, please. But that's what they look like, guys.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. I love the different colors. Ooh, really soft. That looks like coconut flakes on it. Isn't that cool? That looks really yummy. Okay. Wonder if the different colors have different flavors.
Maybe.
Maybe. I don't think we're going to try all of them, though. It's kind of a lot.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Let's see here.
Maybe one for each flavor.
Yeah. Go ahead. I'm going to try a pink one. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Looks like coconut. It's really soft and mushy.
Okay.
And that looks like coconut flakes on there. I don't dare put it down. The dogs will get it. Let me put it here for a second. So, coconut flakes. It's covered in. And it's obviously rice cake. I wonder if it's filled with anything. Really soft and mushy. Kind of like a marshmallow. I kind of feel like it could be a stuffed marshmallow or something. But
I can confirm that they are coconuts.
Look, you guys. It's filled with something. Looks like a red bean. Okay. So, red bean, all grounded up, like into a paste flavor. Chad, can you hold this?
Yes.
There's ants over there.
I don't think each color has a different flavor.
No, I don't think so either, because it didn't really have a flavor. I just think it was color. But it's really cool. It's like real, like the rice is all kind of made into a paste. It's stuffed with a red bean paste, which is really good. Really not very sweet. Not as sweet as I thought it was gonna, as it sounded. So it's really soft. Coconut on the side. I really like this one a lot. This one's excellent. Nice and soft and gooey.
Yum.
Yummy. My star rating on this one, I'm gonna go 4.5. I like this one a lot. This is really good. I really recommend it. You see anything like this in the Asian market, go ahead and get it, you guys. 4.5 star. Perfect. Woo.
Finally.
Yeah, a little chewy. That's why I didn't go quite a 5 star, because it's kind of chewy.
Yep. Same 4 star. I like the coconut.
I went 4.5.
Oh. Yeah, 4.5.
Okay, you guys. Well, we wanted to thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it a lot. I hope you guys have been enjoying we're taking you out and about and doing this in nature and giving you great views. So if you do enjoy that, let me know in the comments that you want more like this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And you know what, you guys? All this time, I haven't been remembering to do this, but you gotta go give C Smash a follow on YouTube. He has a little channel. He does some gaming stuff. But if you can give him a little follow, I'd appreciate that a lot, you guys. So anyway, this is our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! All right, you guys, until next time. Bye.
Goodbye.